Empowering Business Analyst for Career Growth, Becoming a Professional Business Analyst. A book by Lamees Coon. The book Empowering Business Analyst for Career Growth, Becoming a Professional Business Analyst by Lamees Coon offers valuable insights and guidance for individuals seeking to excel in the field of business analysis. In today's highly competitive world, achieving the best possible results requires mastering a profession to gain a competitive edge. This book emphasizes the importance of technical, analytical, and communication skills in becoming a proficient business analyst. With over 15 years of experience in business analysis and consulting, Lamees Coon provides simple guidelines to help readers embark on a career as a business analyst, or advance to a higher level in their profession. Join Lamees Coon and unlock your full potential in the world of business analysis, as she unveils the secrets, insights, and wisdom gained throughout her career. Empowering Business Analyst for Career Growth, Becoming a Professional Business Analyst, is available at Amazon. Get your copy today.